लगभग 490 करोड़ रुपए की लागत से बना बेंगलुरु में डबल डेकर फ्लाईओवर आखिरकार जनता के लिए खोल दिया गया। बताया जा रहा है कि फ्लाईओवर लगभग 1 महीने पहले से ही बनकर तैयार हो गया था। डिप्टी सीएम डीके शिवकुमार ने जनता को ये बड़ी सौगात दी। ये फ्लाईओवर पूरे दक्षिण भारत में अनोखा फ्लाईओवर है, जो नम्मा मेट्रो की येलो लाइन के रूप में राजगुड्डा को सेंट्रल सिल्क बोर्ड को इन दोनों को आपस में जोड़ेगा। 5 रैंप में से 3 पर काम पूरा हो चुका है। बचे हुए जो है उनका निर्माण कार्य मई 2025 तक पूरा हो जाएगा।
A big mirror now impact here. Just 2 weeks ago we highlighted how the government was not inaugurating this very flyover that we're standing on today merely because they were waiting for a VIP from Delhi to come down to do the honors and the formality. Of course, even as we're standing on this lovely stretch of the flyover here, so crucial. We've spoken to several commuters in this area, many of whom were thrilled to say the least. This is extremely crucial because this particular flyover here in concern is not just the first of its kind in Bengaluru, but also the fact that this connects the southern parts of the city like JP Nagar, BTM and other areas, all the way till beyond Silk Board. For someone who's been in Bengaluru for all these years, it wouldn't really be wrong to say that Silk Board undoubtedly is, of course, one of the biggest nightmares for any commuter in Bengaluru today. And even as, of course, the lower deck of the flyover that allows for vehicular movement has been thrown open. Above us, the upper deck, which would, of course, essentially have the metro train running, should be ready in about 5 to 6 months, essentially by the end of the year, is what we're being told. It's finally been opened. How much of a relief is it?
So just now we are starting our journey. So this journey starts for almost 3.3 kilometers. So and we should thank the new government for DK Shivakumar sir and Ramlinga Reddy sir.
Commuters are finding it very difficult every day to travel, especially after the office hours. And this is a blessing for Bangaloreans, to be very frank. We are so excited to be on the road where nothing is there except the cloud. So it will be in the future also, it will going to give a lot of transportation, like the ease with which we transport, and it's a new phase to Bangalore.
Yes, we are very happy so that it will reduce the traffic also. Even the people can move faster in this road.
I have requested the central minister also. I don't want it to be wasted. I wanted to give it to the trial run. Still some small patches are there on the double way. That has to be completed. After that, we'll have a formal inauguration, but we are allowing the public to use it.